Beg. My people, this one devastation and grenation me because few days ago I bring on a story from Kano as over 250 people don't buy for Corona matter for Kano. Even people where the bury people say don't come and don't talk, say we don't tire. I have to tell the bury people like this, say we don't tire because fear they cash us. My people now the same Kano, now people do video where they pass 1,000, they shout say Corona day. As they chant for house, I say Babu Koro, Malayache, Babu Koro, Nimanache, Babu Koro. When I hear am body phone me, I say person with snake bite. If you see rope, make it jump now, my people, because the whole thing, it don't be like Nollywood and Ziwa put together. Because the governor of Kano State, where name now Abdullahi Ganduje, he talks say Koro day. So because of this, may federal government give him 50 billion naira, make it a fight Koro. And here the people they talk say Corona day.
Abokina sosai mai sanyi ai sosai yayi haka abokina
durin uwar corona virus
kuma durin uwar corona virus
galaji ma har ga isa
corona virus durin uwar
galaji ma har ga isa corona virus ko zuba ruwa sosai yani na zuba corona virus kutumin babban bura uban coronavirus na wanke ruwan hannuna na shafa
taɓa yin kwalara a Najeriya a Kano rana ɗaya wajen mutane 500 sun mutu ba mu ga masu binne su ba mu ga kaburrukan ba mu ga sanda aka musu sallah ba mu ga sanda aka dawo ba ina na corona virus yake.
My people, I don't dey call federal government and other health workers them to make them touch like this matter. Make we know wetin they kill the people. Whether na Koro, I been a one disease where we don't know. I been a one wish where we don't know. Make we check the matter very well. But federal government now they don't take Kano say make una no worry because as they don't they push money for inside Kano State COVID-1 and 9 cookie jar as money don't they flow they enter inside. This na PG News Network. Na man on the street be this.